Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 1st till the 7th of December 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box, and you'll find the links below. So let's start. Libra, let's see the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. We have the Ace of Swords, Seven of Cups, King of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Cups. Okay, there's a sense of emotional confusion in the situation. Both of you are trying to be mentally clear in the situation as much as you can from both the sides, but still there is some kind of confusion or confusions going on regarding the emotional connection, emotional bond between you guys. There's love here. There's love, there's respect, and there's mature and grounded kind of energy between you guys. But there's a sense of, what if the other person is not feeling the same for me, or what the other person is up to is kind of not making the other person feel very good about it. So you guys are seeking for the clarity about the emotions that you guys are having regarding the bond, regarding the connection. Both of you have emotions, both of you can feel it, both of you know it, but you guys are not able to either explain it, or you guys are not able to understand what the other person is feeling about the situation here, right? And you guys are trying to seek the clarity, trying to seek the answers in the dynamics, because now it's very important for you guys to know what's going on the other side, so that you can do something about this collaboration or partnership. See, it seems like a friendship turning into a more deep kind of bond, or it seems like something that you guys are enjoying, a bond, a connection. You guys are enjoying it, but things are now getting serious. At least one of you is getting serious about the situation, and the other person, even if they have feelings, they are not able to understand how to express them, or how to, not to overwhelm the situation and stay respectful, but still do something about it. Okay, if this is making any sense. So the mutual energy here is of being emotionally a little bit confused about the situation. For some of you, it could be possible that you guys are trying to keep your options open, one of you, and that is making the situation a little bit difficult to deal. But there is love, there is bond, there is connection, and you guys are like, okay, uh, what's next, right? So what's next is the mutual energy for you guys in the situation. And the guide and the lesson for this week is, if you guys feel it, if you guys are feeling the feelings, you guys should express it. Okay, that will help. Lesson is to express yourself fully. Sometimes suppressing the emotions and not expressing is going to create issues. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Libra. Two of Cups. Okay, so this person is feeling, see, I'm telling you, this person is feeling a very beautiful bond between you and them, soulmate kind of energy between you and them, a very beautiful energy exchange. Let's clarify the Two of Cups here as their feelings. We have the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Yep. And then we have Knight of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. This person is feeling like now they are ready to, let go of their singlehood, and now they are feeling excited about the future ahead of you guys. But things are really very slow, and things are kind of stuck between you guys. So this person is feeling like now they are ready to let go of their independence, their freedom, their singlehood, and they're excited about the future between you and them. But still, this person is feeling things are very slow and things are kind of stuck, not moving forward again, even if there is love here, right? Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Let's see what's happening. Six of Wands. So you feel like making things successful and victorious for yourself first, and then for this connection. Right now, this bond, this connection is not your ultimate priority. Hmm? Let's clarify the Six of Wands here, honey. We have the Magician, King of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. You are feeling like you should manifest this energy of working on yourself, be grounded, be mature, and come out of the losses that life have thrown on you, including romantic relationships. So you feel like making things work out, but at the same time there's a sense of feeling left out in the cold by multiple people and situations in your life. So you're manifesting this energy of groundedness so that you can make things happen between you and a certain energy. Right now, your energies are focused on your own healing. Okay. And then next to the romantic relationships. That's the deal from your side, honey. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? Nine of Swords. Their intention here is to let go of the stressful energies around the situation. They want to get out of this depression, not being able to sleep at night kind of situation. This person wants to, see everything crystal clear in front of them. This person is in love and they want this connection to move forward, but they don't know how because you are right now emotionally unavailable. It's not like you are an asshole or something. It simply means that you are working on yourself, and they might see you as somebody who is not available and who is kind of off, and it's stressing the hell out of them. So they want the proper understanding of what's going on. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords here, Libra. We have the Five of Cups, Two of Swords, and the High Priestess. See, this person wants to come out of this disappointment, this feeling lost without you kind of energy. They want to clear the air within themselves. They want to clear the air with you. Right now, they are having the sense of mysterious energies, secretive energies. You are not expressing yourself properly. You're not telling them the truth. You're hiding some things or some people or some situations from them. And they are not able to sleep at night thinking about all of the mess that is being created in the dynamics because of your secrecy, because of your mysterious and secretive energies of not revealing or telling too much to them. This person wants proper clear cut understanding of what's going on inside of you so that they can accordingly move forward or leave the situation behind. It's a mess right now. It's a complete mess right now according to them, and it's stressing them a lot, anxious energies. Okay, so they want to have a clear cut understanding of what's going on your side so that they can accordingly move forward. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Three of Cups. From your side, you want to keep things light-hearted. You want to keep this collaboration partnership going on the way it is going on. You are not in love with this person and they are. So basically, one of you is in love with the other person here, and the other person is working on themselves. Right now, they're not ready, at least for a relationship kind of a deal. Right now, they're not emotionally ready and available for that thing. So we want to keep things as casual and as beautiful and happy-go-lucky as you can. You don't want to make things look very serious or feel very serious. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Cups here, Libra. This is a collaboration or partnership that's important for you, but Ace of Cups, Four of Cups, and the Ten of Cups, right? You don't want to make things very serious very quickly. You have emotions and you might not be able to understand that these emotions are leading to something serious or it is just for the time being, right? So you don't want to disappoint yourself, you don't want to disappoint the other person. You just want to keep your heart open to the uh, future direction of the situation, but you don't want anything serious as of now because you don't want to disappoint yourself and the other person and create any kind of mess in your life right now, right? That's actually a good thing. But I think you should tell this person everything openly and honestly from your side. This is what you are thinking, and that this is what you are up to, so that they can also be at peace, right? Right now, you yourself is not able to understand what you feel like about the situation, where you want the situation to go, although you want to give it a natural pace and natural direction and everything, just going with the flow and everything. But the underlying energies, you don't want to disappoint yourself and the other person here. Okay, that's why you are just trying to keep things casual and happy go lucky. Okay, that's the energy of emotionally being all over the place, or confusion, full of confusion energy. Let me see the potential outcome for you guys, Libra. Seven of Cups again. This emotional confusion is going to be there for this week as well. Okay, let's clarify. We have the Queen of Pentacles, Temperance, and the King of Swords. Right, one of you is going to be very cold and off and detached from the idea of investing in the situation, and other person is very patiently waiting for things to improve, for things to settle down, very patiently waiting for the time, and everything is going to be crystal clear between you guys, and you guys will be able to do something about this situation in a mature and grounded way. But this same confusions, this same all over the place kind of energy is going to continue, because one of you is not going to participate in the situation. They are going to behave very cold and off and detached. They might in fact cut this situation out of their system for some time. They're not doing it out of hatred or revenge or anything. They're simply doing it because they're not ready. The other person is more than ready. They are ready to take it forward. They are ready to make things happen. They are excited, but the other person, the other energy is not available, and that is creating a lot of confusion and lots of ups and downs. So basically, this saga is going to continue the way it is. I just told you the underlying energies, the feelings, and what is happening inside the dynamics. That's my job. But I don't think so this situation is going to improve, or dissolve or evolve in anything, at least for this first week of December. Because even if the person is detaching, one of you is detaching, because they don't know what they want from the situation right now, so they're detaching because they're overwhelmed and they don't want to get hurt and hurt the other energy here. And that's actually a good thing. So I think you should communicate instead of doing these things, right? Communication is the key here. Only communicating is not the key, listening is also the key. You guys should communicate and listen to each other properly and honestly. It's not like you should communicate like two walls are talking to each other or something. Okay, let's see the guidance here, Libra. We have the King of Wands, Queen of Swords, and the Empress. It's like once you guys are going to talk to each other openly and honestly about your feelings, about what you want and what you don't want in the situation, with clear cut energies of like honesty and being very, very truthful and blunt, things will start improving. Very naturally and organically, things will start improving. What it will do is, it will do either both of you will be able to come on the same page of, okay, let's take it slow and let's see where it goes, and let's head towards growth and expansion, and be open to the idea of having growth and expansion. Okay, but clarity is there that right now we are just friends, or we are just more than friends, but let's take it step by step. Or you guys will be able to detach completely from the situation, and you guys will be able to have growth and expansion in your individual lives, maybe with other people or other situations. But communication is the key. Communicating properly is the key. Now let's say, for example, somebody is not ready to communicate with you. A lot of people don't communicate because they have issues in expression. From your side, you should make things very, very clear, Libra. You can text them, you can call them, you can email them that this is what I want and this is what I'm looking forward to have. If they reply good, you will get the answer. If they don't reply very good, you will get the answer. Okay, understand this last line very, very thoroughly, and keep that in mind. Okay, from your side, keep things very clear, very sorted, very like, okay, that's it. I think you got it, right? So yeah, let me answer one of your questions related to a love and relationship area, honey. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise, and I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 seconds. And if 10 seconds is not enough for you, you can pause the video and then unpause. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into this portion of the reading. If this is not resonating, this is not your answer. Okay, let's start. Okay, so the answer to your question is yes. It's a clear cut yes. I don't have to explain it to you. I don't have to read from the guidebook. It's a yes. Okay, good. Enjoy. So thank you so much for tuning in Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.